So hello to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can buy WPR tokens, V-Power tokens. So as you are here, you probably missed the ICO sale, so it's not a big deal anymore. You just have to go to idex.market, and when you go to idex.market, you just have to search over here in the Ether WPR, and you will get into here. When you get over here, so it's like that, but exchange is a bit complicated, so you have to first download metamask or any Ethereum wallet, not any Ethereum wallet, either metamask or the other one which can be embedded into it. So I have already my wallet in there. So now you have to first go to full balances. So once you get into go over here, and first you have to deposit into metamask wallet the Ethereum into the metamask wallet. When you deposit over there, then open it through via metamask, and then go to search over here, go to balances and search ETH which you have submitted, or hide this one. So here you go. So you have to just go to deposit and select send enter balance, and you will have to click over deposit. I have already deposited the amount into the idex. Now I have to buy some WPR. So right now it is the trick. First of all, in order to buy some, you have to go to grab the price which is written over here. Actually we are making the bid, so let me paste it over here and let's see what we got. So it doesn't matter how much we are buying, all matter is that I have this much amount of Ethereum right now. Actually this much amount of Ethereum in my account. So let me paste it over here. Oh my god, sorry, paste it over here. So I'll probably get this much. This balance. So now I just have to click on buy, and it is asking me to sign in. I've signed in. Order to buy WPR is placed. Okay, so here is my order. Let's see how much time it take to fill out. And somebody just placed an order of mine. So as you can see, my order is now filled after about 12 hours, and now finally my order is completed, because I just put a custom order, and when it fluctuated, so here you can see that I put a custom order on 156, and the graph was at the time was going on. Right now it is also going on. Let me, here it is going on 17000 last night, but right now the ask price is 17487. so I just put a custom order. It take a little while, but I got what I want. So I got about 3037 WPR tokens. So that's how you can, this is how you can buy your WPR tokens on idex. So I hope you got this, how to buy on idex. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Bye bye.